Hey guys, it's Lou Bortone with LouBortone.com, and in the next 60 seconds I'm going to give you 4 quick tips for getting a fast start with video. Let's see if we can do this in under a minute. Number 1, try going live on Facebook with your mobile phone. It is arguably the easiest way to do video. You're just a couple taps away from going live. Use your phone, go live on Facebook, bada bing, bada boom, you're good to go. And really, shooting any video on your mobile phone is one of the quickest and most convenient ways to create quick videos. You may also want to give Zoom a try. Zoom.us is a really easy, flexible video platform that allows you to share your screen, be on camera, bring guests on camera, you can do interviews. So check out Zoom for doing really quick videos. And one other easy peasy method for creating videos is to send out video emails using platforms like Loom or dub.com. Video emails can be really quick and easy. It's a great way to get started and a great way to get some short videos under your belt before you move on to more complex videos. For more quick tips, stay tuned, watch this channel, and be sure to subscribe to see some other cool videos. Stay tuned.